Schedule posts for your Facebook profile with Simplified's easy-to-use content calendar. You can access the content calendar by hovering your mouse over this icon here and then choosing Content Calendar. And on this page, you will see an overview of all of your social media posts organized in one simple place. We can create a new post by selecting this new post icon in the upper right-hand corner or scrolling to your desired date and then clicking this plus icon. Make sure that your Facebook icon is highlighted in the top toolbar. And now we're going to upload our media by clicking here and either browsing our media library with all of our saved projects or browsing Simplified's fantastic stock libraries of images and videos. Go ahead and choose your artboard, and you can download as a PNG if you want to upload an image, or as a video if you're uploading a video. Go ahead and click Export Now, and now all that's left to do is writing in your caption, and don't forget that you can use the AI assistant right within the content calendar to help you write the perfect Facebook post caption. You can add emojis by clicking this here, and then browsing our emoji library. Now that we're ready to schedule, we can hit this drop-down menu and publish our post now, add it to our queue to post later, or schedule our post for a specific date or time, and then hit schedule. And there you go! Simplified will do all of the rest of the work for you. To use our content calendar and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.